Next up, Flight Risk for Shadow Company Tier 3. In this we need to acquire special heavy chopper fuel, refuel the heavy chopper, and finally exfil using it. This is relatively simple, and the simplest way to do it is to pull up a map that shows you heavy chopper fuel. You can find these very easily by Googling. Currently there are a few locations we can get heavy fuel. The first is over by the Satik Cave complex in this general area here in the underground, then across to the west by a feed port, this building here, then all the way across to the far east side, just to the south of the police station here. In this general area here, we can also find heavy fuel. And finally, all the way across by Rohan Oil, in this section here, we can also find heavy fuel. So once you find heavy fuel, find your way across to a heavy chopper with just one of them, and you'll be able to extract with it. And hey, would you look at that? Heavy chopper fuel. Let's take some of that. This is exactly what we needed. We didn't even need to go and look for it. Once you get yourself access to heavy chopper fuel, either by getting an enemy with it or finding it in one of the heavy chopper fuel spawning areas, what we need to do is find our way over to a heavy chopper. Finding it on an enemy makes life a lot easier. You only need one of these in order to refuel the chopper, so don't worry about collecting more. Then we go navigating all the way to a heavy chopper. What we need to do is get inside of it, hit tab, and left click our heavy chopper fuel, assuming we climb in the chopper first. So there we go, refuel. And now all we need to do is ascend. What we need to do now is simply navigate and find our ways out of bounds of the map. So just fly it out of the map pretty much anywhere, make a dead straight sprint for it. And after simply heading out of bounds, we should be extracted. Pretty cool. And with that, we've now completed this very simple mission. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.